again, Nagpur! Welcome to IT Vedant's 15th branch, Nagpur. We are in this lovely city with historic importance, and IT Vedant is writing its new history page with opening a brand new center here. We are here to cater the learners, to encode more and more the dreams of the students and writing more transformation stories. So, thank you Nagpur for this wonderful opportunity, and let's rock.
Hello Nagpur. IT Vedant is now in your city. With a mission to empower dreams and build bright futures, we are here to transform education and careers in this vibrant city. At IT Vedant, we don't just teach, we create career-ready professionals, bridging the gap between education and industry. Nagpur, it's time to redefine your career journey. Join IT Vedant and take the first step toward a bright future.